All right, I'm sick of working on the walker today, so I'm gonna work on another project that I have in here. I picked up this Toolbox. It's just a Husky brand. I bought it off the classifieds like I buy everything. And I'm gonna put in the Ranger. I wanna have a toolbox in the Ranger so we can throw some stuff in. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use freeze plugs. These freeze plugs are 1 3/8 by 1.5 inches. I bought them at Napa. We're gonna put them in there and tighten them up. Should be a really quick install. So let's open the toolbox, and I'm gonna put one of these in here, and maybe one here. Not sure yet. I don't know if one will be sufficient. One might be good enough. I don't know. So we'll see. Okay, for now, I'm going to take this freeze plug, and it just so happens that it kind of lines up with a cut that's already in here. So we're going to lift that up and put it in there and see what it will do. I'm trying to do this with one hand. The garage door opens, making a lot of light come in. Okay, I'm going to do that side, and then we'll do this side. I'm putting them up. I'm putting them in the toolbox first because I don't want them to fall down in the lock and ride and then never get them out. Okay, I'm putting the washer on top. I'm going to go over and fix this one. So the washer's on top. Maybe I'll shut the garage doors while I'm at it. Okay, so I have this one in here, put the washer up front. So I'm going to slide it up. And what I'm going to do is put it in that hole. Okay, that one's in that hole. That one's in that hole. I'm going to close the lid a little bit. Okay. Notice I'm not 100% up against there. If I throw it up against there, then the lid won't open. So let's open it. Let's see what it does. Okay. It pushes it out a little. But that gives me a big toolbox in the Ranger. So the question is, do I need one? Do I need two, or do I need four of these freeze plugs? I don't know. Let's throw two of them in and see. Okay, I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna open this, but try not to make it push back. So I'm gonna use the... Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put two of them in. So that one matches up with the hole that's already in the toolbox. This one doesn't. So I've marked it. We're gonna go with right here. And if this is correct, we'll mark it and measure off the same. Okay, second hole. Alrighty. Well, let's put that freeze plug in. Here's the freeze plug. Okay, so we have two freeze plugs in there now. So we should be able to match them up with two of the holes. Okay, let's drill a hole on this side. I've marked where we're going to drill. And I knocked over the light. Isn't that the story of my life? This box is aluminum, so it should be pretty light. And the light doesn't stick to it very well. Try to make it a little oblong so we have some room to adjust. Well, that's no good when the drill bit falls down. Dang it. That's hard to get. That's up underneath there. Okay, now I have to get the drill bit out from somewhere up in here. Dang it. Ooh, maybe I can get it. Ooh, I feel it. I feel it. Good thing that screw's missing from over here. Yeah, there's supposed to be a screw right there. Got it. Okay. Let's see if that's close. Okay, we have the box sitting in there. 4 freeze plugs. We haven't tightened them up. So we're going to tighten them up with the impact wrench to make sure it stays in place. Okay, those 2 are in. Okay, now the passenger side. Okay. Let's see. That closes. Can't move it. I'm going to manhandle it for a minute and see if it moves at all. Yeah, I don't think that's going to move at all. Okay, I'm going to vacuum out. The aluminum shavings and clean this out. Put my tools away. But now I have an oversized, probably too big toolbox in the Ranger, but I can throw some stuff back in here. So that's good. Well, yeah, that's good. Alrighty, this is what it looks like when it's all in. Freeze plugs were the key. Get some freeze plugs from Napa, drill some holes in your box, and suck them on down. This is a short one, but I just wanted to show you how I was installing this toolbox in the Ranger. So that's it. Thanks for watching.